Hello and welcome back to my channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to my channel, then just hit that subscribe button so you guys don't miss on any of the profits that we make on regular basis. So let us discuss the gold analysis for yesterday. First of all, when we were discussing this pair, market was trending over here and we marked this area as an area of short-term resistance and this area as an area of short-term support. Because you guys can clearly see that market almost tested our support area and then closed above here. So if we guys would have taken a good long position from here, then we would have made a good profit approximately till here. Stop loss will be here, so 4.2% profit would have come to us from here. And similarly, if we would have entered over here once market closed above our area, then our stop take profit would be over here and a stop loss would be over here. So 1.6% profit would have come from here. And if we were safe traders, then we would have taken a buy entry from here. Then we would enter from here. Then our take profit will be approximately over here, and our stop loss will be approximately here. So 1.4% profit would have come to us. So that overall these all these trades would have given us a good profit. Now once market closed below our area of resistance, then we would have sold this pair, but you guys can clearly see that this was a huge candle and we do not take entries on huge candles. Then we would wait for market to first of all retest this area of resistance, then we would only sell this pair, and you guys can clearly see that this area was tested over here and then again market closed below this area, then we would take a short entry from this point. Okay, so our stop loss would be over here and our take profit will be approximately till here. So 2.3% profit would have come to us if we would have taken this trade. So overall, these scenarios would have given us a very good profit, and if even if we would have taken a safe entry over here, then this trade would have still given us a 2.4% profit, which is amazing. Okay, so now you guys can clearly see the market has that market has not taken out this high or market has not taken out this low, so market is pretty much going sideways. That's why all of our scenarios are almost getting it. Now let me just push the points a little ahead. As you guys can clearly see that market has once again entered the same zones where we were discussing where the market was yesterday, which was this was the short term area of support and this was the short term area of resistance. Now the support is this the similar area and the resistance is over here. So I think that same scenarios are going to come into play tomorrow unless these areas are tested. Okay, so now let me just okay. So how are we going to trade these pairs? Okay, so now let me also remove these. Okay, this. Okay, so I think I have to remove them manually. Okay, so all the previous scenarios have been removed. Okay, so let us also have a look at the 4-hour chart. Okay, in the 4-hour chart, you guys can clearly see that market has remained sideways today and it has not really given us a move. So I think all these same scenarios are going to come into play tomorrow as well. So similarly, if market just retest this area of support and market close above this area, then we will buy this pair. And if market just simply closes above this short-term area of resistance, then we will buy this pair. And if we are a non-risky buyer, then we will buy this pair upon a retest of this area, and then we will buy this pair. Okay, so let me also mark this area as an area of support in green color so you guys have a better idea. Okay, so similarly, if market tests this area of resistance and market closes below this area, then we will sell this pair. And similarly, if market just simply closes below this short-term support area, then we will sell this pair straight away. And similarly, market retest this area, then we will sell this pair upon a retest. Okay, so I hope you guys have a good and profitable trading day tomorrow. If you guys want to know anything further, just let me know in the comment section. And just hit that subscribe button if you guys want to continue making good profit. Thank you. That's all for today.